Stigma that most Jamaican man give off is that if you have one woman in your life, you's a clown. If you have one woman in your life, you's a girl clown. If you have one woman in your life, you's not a real OG. A Jamaican man expect any other Jamaican man to have more than one woman. And if you have one woman, you're just not gonna cut it. Most Jamaican men are delusional enough to think that the more woman you have, the better. When they don't even know that when you have one woman in your life, it is the best thing for you. Most Jamaican men like to say, one pum pum, kill cocky. When you're not in love with the person, you're gonna feel that way. When you're not in love with the person, it'll go supposedly kill cocky. But if you focus on your woman and you don't deal with that extra stuff, you won't have time to think about anything else. That one woman is all you will know, see, and love. So the emotional connection that you and that woman have, nothing will ever change. The relationship won't change. The sex won't change. Nothing under the sun will change. It only changes when you as a man change it in your woman. When you as a man start to look down on your woman, you don't think she's sexy enough anymore. You don't flirt with her anymore. You don't be a man anymore. It's something that we need to cut out of the Jamaican culture because nothing is better than having one woman. So we need to remove it so that today's generation, the newer generation that's coming up, don't live by these rules. We are the only country in the world to be living with these rules, thinking that it's good to have many girlfriends, many side chicks. It shouldn't be like that. It's ungodly and it just shouldn't be like that. It's wrong. Having one woman in your life is fun can done. The only thing that you and that person need to do is build the strongest trust and connection. And once you have that, you will be unbreakable. It will be inseparable. So again, we need to get out of this stigma that the Jamaican culture, or I might say the Jamaican man them, have against having one woman in their life. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. I'll talk to you soon.